Are you updating flags in tables in SQL Server that are like numbers, 1, 0, that are hard for the user to understand? Let me show you an easy way to translate those flags into descriptive, simple text that is easy for the user to understand. So we use the SQL Spreads Excel add-in, and I select the table in the designer and load it into Excel. Then I go over to the columns tab in the designer, and for the specific column, I click the small lookup icon on the right side of the column. In the lookup dialog that is shown, I will head over to the second tab, which is called Lookup in List. And here I can write a small comma-separated list with my values and the text to show to the user. When I click OK, the spreadsheet will reload. You will now see a drop-down list in the cells, and it's easy to read and easy to select an item. And when I hit save, the corresponding key value or the value that I put in that comma-separated list will be saved back to the database. If you would like to have more tips on how to work with data in Excel and SQL Server, just hit the subscribe button below.